You're now going to the other side of the road.
No one is violent. Not everyone is violent. Nobody's here now. We're here for a reason. We're not here just to shout and go home. You know what I'm saying?
You're going to be moving soon. Yeah? You're going to be moving soon to the side of the road, yeah?
The problem is, this is how we are as society at the moment. When people tell someone no, no one likes it. This is organised by whoever's organised your protest.
They just want us to win. We just want
Out
our
of
voice to be
respect to
heard.
both parties, to myself and to you guys, you should have stuck to the agreement. But you haven't, and you chose to.
We don't really want to be here. Do you understand that? At the end of the day, we want somebody to come out and say something about it.
Can I come at us? I would suggest you get started on trying to move it.
Everyone one by one, because we can't speak our mind.
What is the speaker? Nobody is touching nothing. Everybody is just speaking. Like they have the right to speak at the end of the day.
Can I delete that? Delete that. What like can I just talk please? What for this? Yeah.
You can't go. Wait.
Cuma kata,
Abiy Ahmed must go. Abiy Ahmed must go. Netanyahu must go. Netanyahu of Oromia. Netanyahu of Oromia. We need justice. We need justice. Down, down, Bisigina. Down, down, Bisigina. Down, down, Abiy. Down, down, Netanyahu. Justice for Akalu. Justice for Akalu. Free Jawad Mohammed. Free Jawad Mohammed. Netanyahu of Oromia. Netanyahu of Oromia. We need change. We need freedom. We need freedom. We need justice. We need justice. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go.
Down, down, Abiy. أهلا وسهلا.
Ada nih.